Hello friends, this is Derek aka Video Cobra from Video Lifestyle once again. So in my last video, I did the unboxing of the AVX 835 handheld wireless system. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a little about the AVX lineup. There is the AVX 835, which is the handheld wireless mic set, and there is the AVX ME2 and AVX MKE2, which are the lavalier models. The major difference between the ME2 and the MKE2 is in the lavalier microphone. It is indeed exciting that Sennheiser has developed the AVX system. As a trainer for almost 2 decades in the wedding and event videography industry, I cannot stop to stress how important it is to have good audio in a video production. And with this, I mean any kind of video production. It has always been challenging, especially dealing with wireless audio systems. There will always be issues of radio frequency interferences, adjustments of audio levels, audio dropouts, and if you deal with wired solutions, this also severely restricts your creative freedom. Alas now, with the AVX system, Sennheiser is giving the professional as well as the amateur videographer a solution now in just a few plain easy steps to capture the perfect audio without having to understand any technical settings and techie jargon. With the advent of technology and the shooting trend that has changed over the last 5 to 7 years, a large number of professional video guys have also shifted to using DSLRs and the mirrorless technology. And with more videographers also doubling up as the sound guy, this is where the Sennheiser AVX system comes into play with its total simple plug and play functionality. There is simply just no time to waste, just no room for mistakes. And every experienced wedding videographer should know a failed audio wedding vow is disastrous and can pose a serious blow to the business and reputation. Let me now show you how easy and quick it is to set up the AVX system for recording. So here is my GH4 and here is my supplied hot shoe adapter. You take the EKP receiver and just slot it into the adapter and connect the supplied XLR connector. Connect the other end of the 3.5mm mini jack into the camera's mic input. Turn the EKP receiver on and then turn the microphone transmitter on. Wait for the light to turn green, which happens in just a matter of seconds, and you are ready to record. So it's just that simple. For personal preference, if you find that the RF output is on the high side, you can just dial this down by using the RF output button. Now 1 bar represents minus 10 dBs, 2 bars 20 dBs, and 3 bars 30 dBs. Users who plan to use the AVX on a professional camcorder equipped with phantom power will also find that the AVX system will intelligently turn itself on and off automatically. This simply means the mistake of not remembering to turn on your audio recording device separately is no longer required. Now, what I really like about the AVX system is also the ease of checking the level of power left on the receiver. All you have to do is just press the power button and you will see the number of bars that will appear. So if you see 4 full green bars, this means just full power. And this will give you about 4 hours of operational time. And if you just see 1 red bar blinking, that equates to about 15 minutes of recording time or operational time remaining. So it's just time for a battery change. You can of course purchase spare batteries for longer usage time. The transmitter, on the other hand, has a battery indicator and an operational duration of 15 hours. Now this is simply just insane. The AVX system is also further equipped with an adaptive transmitting power technology, meaning that the system only uses power it requires, maintaining still a reliable connection, and at the same time, further reducing battery power consumption. And it's also very easy because you can charge all these devices via USB. The Sennheiser AVX system also uses the 1.9 GHz bandwidth, which is a license-free frequency range that can be used in many countries worldwide. The system adjusts the correct audio levels between the transmitter and receiver using an available frequency. In the case there is any source of interference, the AVX system will again intelligently and automatically inaudibly switch to a new frequency. So in layman terms, this means no audio dropouts, no more interruption to the audio recording, and this is again possible because of the technology inside, the AVX GFSK modulation return channel, but just don't ask me what that is. If you happen to own a few sets of AVX system, pairing the units also cannot get any more easier. It is as simple as holding down on the pair button on the receiver and transmitter until it turns green. And if you have a few microphones and receivers, you can also easily identify the paired couple just by pressing the same button until you see the corresponding unit blink green. So you know that that is a couple. We are right now outdoors and in this beautiful place, and we are going to put the Sennheiser AVX system to an audio range test. So right now I'm just about, I would say close to about, 25 meters. And we're just going to see how far this goes when I keep talking and without cutting away. So I'm just going to walk at the edge of this pool. All right, I'm going to stop right here. So we're going to double the distance of where I was before previously. I hope you're still reading me loud and clear. And I'm going to continue walking on the edge. So I'm going to continue walking the edge of the pool. Okay, here we are to this particular point now. Are you still reading me loud and clear? So this is fantastic. The Sennheiser has rated the RF output of this system to be 250 milliwatts. And they have claimed that it's good up to about 30 meters, but I'm definitely way beyond that. I'm still continuing walking until you cannot see me. So for all of you wedding videographers out there, or journalists or travel bloggers, if you do not already own a wireless system, I think you might want to consider the AVX system because it is a must-have tool. And as a matter of fact, AVX maybe really stands for audio very extraordinarily important. So folks, this is Derek aka Video Cobra again, signing off for Video Lifestyle. See you again.